Hello everyone, I'm glad that you joined me today because we are going to talk about YPP Dashboard 2.0, so complete rework of the dashboard. Right now we have a lot of new features to show you. So today we are not going to go the usual way. Everything about components, everything about responsiveness of this page is going to be left at the very end of the video. So I'm not really going to go through the changelog. I'm going to jump straight into the designs and then go through the different features and user stories of the page itself. Because so if you are a developer, just stick to the end. Your part is there. All right, so the dashboard, I'm not going to show you how it looked before. I don't have those designs already, but what we have now, when a user opens the dashboard, we have quite a few elements there to digest. We have the YPP status, which is showing their tier if they are verified, and something else if they are not. We'll get to that in a second. Then we have YPP service status, which also tells us that new YouTube videos uploads are checked once every 24 hours. And then there are the videos in the queue, the place in the queue that the channels has, and the ETA to full sync of the videos. So everything here is being updated, and as well we have the status that I will show you in a second in the video in the user stories. Then we have next payment rounds, also new widget, which shows the next payment round that is going to happen. And then we have the link to the program details and the link to the support, and those little benefit cards. You can see a state where somebody already signed up and is verified already. That's what I'm showing you right now. That's why you can see that this person with the diamond tier received $100 and they can just close this one here because they're not going to sign up again. But as well, you can see that somebody who is verified with the diamond tier is going to get $5 for every video that they sync, and you can see that the auto sync is turned on. And as well, there is an option here to refer other YouTube creators. So you have it written here that you will get up to $50 depending on the tier of the creator that is going to get referred, and then you can copy the referral link here. So quite a few things. Let's go to the user stories to show you everything there. So first, as you are a publisher and you sign up for the program from the dashboard, right? So you sign up for the program from the dashboard. You're here, basically exploring your publisher sites, your studio site of the whole platform, and then you stumble across this YPP here. You have an option to sign up to participate here. You have an option to sign up also by using this button here. This little area is the first state of your status field. Yeah, that's that. When you click on either of those, you will have a standard YPP sign-up flow. So first of all, we show requirements, right? We continue, then you have to allow us to connect to the YouTube. Then we display some waiting state for them, and then after confirming the YouTube connection, we just go ahead and finalize the YPP sign up as it was before. So I have a new ending to this flow, so that's also very important. So as we finalize the sign up right now after connecting with YouTube, we select the category for the videos, we select the referrer, which is optional, but if you have somebody that is referring you, it's also nice to have them here. Then we select the category for the videos, right? The loading of the referrer is shown here as well. So no new stuff here as it was before. Then we load a little bit, and we have our new dashboard ready here. So what happens, what is new here that was not here before? We got this snack bar before, right? That's something that was here before, telling you that we'll start importing your YouTube videos once your channel is verified, etc., etc. But then also we have this banner here at the very top, which is dismissible, which allows you to add new channels. So it says have another YouTube channel. You can apply by creating a new Gleev channel, and you can just click that, and when you click add new channel, you will be in the flow of creating a new channel for yourself, so something that that is already a part of the platform, and you can access that from here, from the top, from your member, from your channel drop down, but here is a nifty quick link to that action as well. So that's first thing. The second thing is in the YPP status we have the status of verification pending being displayed, and it says that the verification is pending, may take up to 48 hours, and then as well we have this little loader which is actually animated, so there's like a little animation here giving some life to the loading, and then we have we can see that we are getting signed up, right? So the sign up button should be disabled, so this should be here, right? Sign up button is disabled, we are getting verified. Okay, let's go to the next one, which is going to show us some more what happens after verification, right? So as a publisher, I want to know where my channel is verified to the YPP. Okay, so we are waiting for the verification, right? Then we go and do some stuff of our own, and we come back to the platform, and we can see that we have a notification that your channel was successfully signed up for YouTube partnership program. When we click on that, we can see that we have been awarded with some tier. And this is a silver tier. We will discuss tiers in a second. The tiers can be found on the landing page of the YPP. That's one place where you can find out about tiers. So just a quick way to show you guys. On the landing page as well, you can read and you can learn about tiers and about different rewards on different tiers. But as well, you will see the tier inside of the dashboard, right? So you have been awarded with the silver tier, and then as soon as you get verified, your videos should start syncing, right? I say should start because new YouTube video uploads are checked once every 24 hours, and that means that it can happen that it's not going to happen immediately, but when it does, you can see videos in a queue, you can see plays in a queue, you can see ETA to the full sync, and so you can see when the next payment round is going to be. You can see that you are going to get paid $10 for signing up, and so everything here aligns perfectly. Let me just adjust this. This is going to get paid on this date, right? On this date here. And you can close and you can dismiss that information if you don't need it anymore. The sign up action on this channel for the YPP is not going to be open anymore for this channel, right? Okay, so then what we have, then as we scroll this page a little bit, we also can see that the sync videos from the YouTube channel are showing us that $1 is going to get paid for each synced video. And if we dismiss that message here for thank you for sign up, we just see that it collapses and is no longer going to be displayed. All right, let's go through the ranks, or I should say through the tiers. So I will just quickly change. Right, so we have a bronze tier. Bronze tier basically says that this person is not going to get paid either for sign up or for syncing their YouTube channel videos. They can still sync their videos, that's why we have the syncing here, but they are not going to get paid for that. Every kind of a tier can get paid for for referring other channels, up to $50 depending on the tier that the new verified channel, the referred one, is going to get. All right, and then this is a silver, the silver tier, which has its own rewards. We have $10 for signing up. We have $1 for every sync, and then this one is not changing. Okay, then we have gold tier, which has $30 for signing up, $3 per video synced, and this one here is not changing. And the last one is the diamond tier, the best one, the very best of all. The diamond tier has $100 for the sign up, $5 per synced video, and this one here is not changing as well. Okay, we have that. That is already done. So this information is here in the get more information from the dashboard widgets, right? So those informations in the tooltips are going to change still. We are in the middle of preparing copy for that, but you can see you can get quite a few more information about different parts of this dashboard from simply hovering over those different tooltips, right? So that's something that is here described as well. Then we have this little dot. This is called status dot, and this dot is going to display the status of the sync service status, and it has its hoverable area. Even though it's not being displayed or there is no hover effect on it, but it has its hoverable area, and once user hovers it, we should display a tooltip with some additional information. So when everything is fine, the dot is green, the dot is also being animated. That's something that we have in the component, right? So we have this little animation, we have this little animation. The dot is pulsing a little bit, and then if it's operational, we have this message. If we have some delays, it looks like that, and then when it's on hold, it will look like that. So immediately upon gazing on this widget, user can tell that something is happening with the YPP sync service, or that everything is correct and everything is fine. So yeah, that's that. Okay, then let's look at this widget itself. We have videos in a queue, we have place in a queue, we have ETA to full sync, right? Once your place in the queue drops, so you move up in the queue, you will be getting closer and closer to get started with the syncing, right? And here we have the estimation, which should be described in days, in approximation 4 days in this case, for example. And here we have that the sync estimation should always round up. So if it's 3 days and 2 hours, 4 days should be displayed. It's just for the ease of our mind, so it's not going to get rounded up the wrong way. Then when it's less than 24 hours, here you can see we dropped in the queue. It's 12 right now, and we have 12 hours. So if it's less than 24 hours, we should display the estimation in hours to the full sync. Then when we reach number 1 in the queue, right, so we reach number 1, we are not showing the number 1, we show you the status of your queue, which is right now you are syncing, you're number 1 in the queue, and ETA to the full sync is still 4 hours. But right now watch the videos in the queue, right, because they will start dropping. It means that every video that drops from here is already synced, right, and we are showing you the updated time that remains to sync all of those remaining videos. And then when we sync everything, we can see that all videos are all synced here, and just empty states for those other 2 elements. So that's how it would look like when you sync everything. And then once you add new videos as a creator to your YouTube channel, also automatically we will show you like this state. But beware, new YouTube videos uploads are checked once every 24 hours, right? So you might not see that happen immediately after you add to the your new video to the YouTube, but in a day, right, it's going to happen, and it's going to happen automatically, and you will see the state being displayed here. All right, then after that, some more information about autosync, right? So also something that is going to be changed probably, but the copy is being reworked. Then also we show you the next payment round in days, and then when we surpass, when we pass this day, right? So when we pass this Friday, and the Friday is and it's Saturday already, right? Then we just will show you the next payment round, which is going to be the next Friday. So that's also described here. Also, copying the referral link works pretty easy. When you click on that, you will see that referral link is copied, and that's that, and it should be in your clipboard. And then the last thing is, as a publisher, I want to be let known if my program participation has been suspended. So if you are suspended for any reason, you will see this notification, first of all, that your channel got suspended in our YouTube partnership program. Then when you click on that, you will be moved to the YPP dashboard, and you can see a couple of things. First of all, that suspended status should be displayed in the YPP status widget, right? So this is the suspended status. You should see that if you have some issues with your YPP channel. YPP connected channel, right? So we can see that it's suspended, and we can also see number 2, that the reason for this channel to be suspended is subpar quality. There are a couple of reasons. I will show you in a second. Then the third one here, you will just see empty states, right, everywhere, because we are not going to sync the channel that is suspended. Then next payment round is the way it should be. We are not showing auto sync anymore. This pill that was shown here, because it's not being auto synced, and we can see that it's suspended here. So yeah, you can always refer, right? So that's something that is, even for the suspended channel, is available. Then we can see the different reasons. We have support quality, we have duplicated content, we have unsupported topic, and we have program terms exploits. So beware of that, don't do that, creators. And that's that. That's everything here. If you're watching me and you are not a developer, then probably the next part is not going to be interesting for you. In that case, thank you very much for watching, and see you all next time. If you are a developer though, then I have some happy news for you. I have other stuff to show you. So let's start with the responsiveness. First of all, the responsiveness, right? So we have the dashboard responsiveness here. And let's maybe start with the lowest possible responsiveness size, right? So first of all, we have titles. The titles have been changed, the size of titles have been changed in all of those tabs, right? So previously on the smallest one we had H600 probably, and right now we have H500 for from XXS to SM, right? So it will affect not only this page, but also this page, and also this page here, right? Then please notice that we no longer have those elements for ranking on the right side. This has been removed, and yeah, that's no longer here, right? So it's not going to be here as well in the responsiveness. Okay, then what else? all of the widgets are filling 12 columns, right? They are stacked one beneath another. So starting with the YPP status, then we have service status widget, which is using the XXS variant, basically stacked one below another. Then we are using the widget styles in the XXS variant, and we are using in the same size variant, we are using those benefit cards, which it's also for the first one, for this benefit card, which is showing you the thank you for signing up card. It's pretty important to note that there is no like X icon button here for dismissing it. We have a close full width button to dismiss that. And then on this higher size, nothing changes on this breakpoint, right? And then on the breakpoint in SM, we have quite a few changes. Nothing really big though. We just have a different type of layout. We have different elements using another size, another breakpoint size of their component variants. But also, please notice that we have this H600 at this breakpoint title, and then at this breakpoint here we have H700 title, and that will be probably everything that I really need to tell you right now, because everything is documented here. Please just to read that closely, and also write to me on Discord if you have any questions with that. Let me also show you that I divided all of the user stories. Previously it was all in one page. Right now everything is separated into their own pages. So we have one for the landing page sign up, we have one for discovering, we have one for the dashboard, we have one for the referrals, and we have one for the settings. Everything is on their own page, so that's that. In the components though, not so big changes. I mean, benefit cards is reworked from the grounds up, so everything here is changed. If you have the benefit card component in the in your design system, in the components, in the storybook, then yeah, it's not going to work. It has to be a new one. It's not equal to the collapsed version of an old component. It's a new one. It's a new component, right? So when you will be building that, please take a look here. It has different spacings, it has different sizes, it has basically everything different. All right, and then as well, just let me show you the local widgets. That's nothing biggie. Let me delete that. Nothing biggie. It's just the local components for the widgets, but you will be able to get everything from the designs themselves. One last thing that I haven't shown in the user stories is that the sign up area has its own hover/press state. So when you just hover or press on that, you have this additional state for that area when you are not signed in. And that is probably everything. Let me just read if we have everything. Final designs, we have that. Removed rank and YPP service status from top widgets, referrals, right? So yeah, so we have seen that in the responsiveness, right? We don't have this anymore. We don't have the rank. We don't have anything that was up here in the top right corner anymore. And then we have divided all your stores to separate pages, modified the feedback that user received after signing up for the YPP. We have that. Created all dashboards, user stories, responsiveness, benefit cards, local widgets. Yeah, folks, that looks like it's everything. Thank you very much for sticking with me if you're a developer, and if you are not and you still wanted to watch everything of that, then cheers to you. Thank you very much, and yeah, see you all next time. Bye.